Hello and welcome. Gillykube here once again. I'm on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Thank you for your support of my channel. Been having some lovely comments and lovely great support for my channel. I want to thank you so much. So today I'm just going over a pre-used canvas, and I've just covered it with navy. At the moment I'm going to try and do a minimalistic, did you hear that, minimalistic swipe with no balloon embellishment, and we will see how we go. I've got to focus on the good and live in the moment. I have to keep reminding myself. So there we go. I hope you're all going well with the silly season happening. I forgot to turn off my washing machine, so sorry about that. But here we go. This is going to be a swipe minimalistic, but with some of my bright colours in here. I'm going to just go for it. So I'm going to go on the diagonal of this one. So this one is Viridian Green. Viridian Green, and I'm going to put in this one is turquoise blue. Turquoise blue. I'm going to add, this is actually, I mixed the copper and the bronze together because I had a bit left of each, so I'm going to go with both of them on that side. And here we go, here we go, here we go. She says minimalistic. Let's see if I can stick to it. Got some pieces of cards cut up, are great for swiping. So at first I'm just going to swipe through it. Wiping your card off in between swipes. We'll add some black line. Card's getting bendy. Just dipping my card in a little bit of white. Let's see what this brings up. Minimalistic is sometimes what people really want to buy for their walls. So this piece would actually sell really well with those colours in, and especially if it was on a large canvas, which can always be achieved. So thank you guys for joining me. Until tomorrow, my next pour. Yeah, please wait on for the photos. Bye for now. Take care.